Mr. International 2022 𝐋𝐔𝐊𝐀𝐍𝐀𝐍𝐃 mayumna Philippines ta malemgi miyamda narco terrorist singna Manipur da piriba chaithengi matangda khangankhre ngarang Northern Luzon Philippines ki Bagayo gi country club ki Cordillera Hall da pangthokiba Mr. International Pigeon gi 35 suba edition gi grand finale da malem pomba gi oina Mr. International 2022 gi mingthol fangkraba 𝐋𝐔𝐊𝐀𝐍𝐀𝐍𝐃 mayum saruk yakre Mamangi chahida lukanan first runners up oikraba matungda hadak chahida organization asina mahakpu amuk na hongnana Mr. International ki title pikhibani tha taret hena India gi wangmada mahaki mathodang pangthok lubagi loisilakpa oibana ngarangi event ta lukanan gi aroi bar winning walk when stage ta chatke amuktang phangba aroi ba khongthang chatpa aduda Mr. International gi mingthol fanglaba Manipur macha lukanana hide ba platform asida Manipur gi namak kathokhi mahangna event asigi manung channa Manipur da hauzik laidiba fibam asigi matangda malem gi miyam bu khangnana ba akhanaba show amasin ki malem gi leiba kya gi mihu sing nation kya gi director sing spokesperson sing amadi global media sing sunatilaba thoram aduda mahakna burning Manipur haina mingthon ba thoram amada malem gi miyam da narco terrorism na sokhan ba sigi matangda miyam bu wakhal tahan ke Masigi matangda thoromgi kanglon manungda tongan ba international media singda hiram masiga mari leinana narco terrorist na pirakpa chaithing amadi masina sokhalakpa kayagi matangda miyamda hena kupthana awareness pigadauri thoidongna miyamgi pukning singsin kibadi international event asida lukanana set kiba fizol asi Bagayo based international fashion designer King George na design tawduna laikitabi mahiroi amagi aroiba meeting hapaga loinana step Manipur haina thaduna yengliba miyamda hauzik oidiba Manipur gi matang
Lukana would like to draw your attention to the subject of narco-terrorism in the region of Northeast India, with a special focus on the state of Manipur through this esteemed platform. Let's save the world from narco-terrorism. Save the world. Say Manipur.
Through this foundation, today I shed the light to my own community, my own state, Manipur, which has been burning from the past 5 months. News of deaths, houses being displaced. In these conditions, I'm standing here as the reigning Mr. International to advocate for this cause. I want everyone to give a chance to see what's happening in India to the state called Manipur. Together, let's say, save the world from narco-terrorism, save the world, save Manipur. Thank you so much once again. 𝐋𝐔𝐊𝐀𝐍𝐾𝐍𝐃